After 50 years, gigibayin nga ba ang kondo? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Sobrang daming kasi clients talaga yung tatanong, worried and concerned, kaya po hindi sila bumibili ng condo property kasi may ganyan silang naririnig. Kaya in this video, try nating himay-himayin and i-discuss natin in simple terms para po magets niya siya. So first, you have to know kung sino po ang may-ari ng lupa na tinatayuan ng building or ng condo. Owned po ba ito ng developer or nirerentahan niya lang din? So dapat before you buy the condo, you must know kung perpetual ownership pa or yung lifetime ownership. And hindi dapat to leasehold. So ito after you purchase a condo or yung property nga, you will be included sa group of unit owners or yung condo corporation. Wherein after 50 years, there will be a reassessment if safe or livable pa po yung property. If safe, life must go on, tuloy-tuloy lang, wala pong magbabago. Then if hindi, owners or unit owners will vote po if the property will be redeveloped or be sold. Madidepende po yun sa voting ng unit owners. Or dapat majority or more than 50% kung anong desisyon ang gagawin nila, kung i-redevelop nila, ibebenta nila soon. If mapili po ng unit owners na ibenta yung property, the earnings will be shared depende sa unit owned mo, sa unit size mo, or yung basically portion mo dun sa building. So to answer the question earlier, gigibain ba ang property natin after 50 years? Or mawawalan ka ba ng property after 50 years? The answer is no. So kung gusto nyo po ulit ipaayos yung building or gusto nyo pong ibenta, it's up dun sa unit owners. And dapat again, majority ng vote nila, yun susundin. So yun lang, if ever po na prefer nyo po na magpaset ng site viewing dito sa ating site, just message nyo po dito sa ating Facebook page or dito sa aking number sa taas. Okay, that's for my Viber na, WhatsApp and Telegram. Okay, so that's it clients. Bye!